Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys a full run through of photos and videos that I've taken with the cameras here on the OnePlus 15. But let me just say that the cameras here on the OnePlus 15 are not bad. Now, I know there's been a lot of talk out there about how the cameras on the OnePlus 15 just aren't really that good. They're kind of bad. They're kind of a downgrade. Well, you know what? In my own personal opinion, I actually think they're pretty good, and I've really been enjoying using the cameras on this device. I mean, I've been able to capture some great photos. And I really realized that even more today when I was out at a football game. Huge thanks to TCL for taking me out there. But I was taking a lot of photos and videos with this device right here. And after taking the photos and looking at them, I'm like, dang, these are actually really good. Now, of course, it's a little bit of a different story when it comes to video. Video is, it's still pretty good. It's not the best video I've seen, coming out of a smartphone. Even the photos are, these aren't the best cameras in a smartphone, but I'm still able to get some great shots. And like I said, video, it's pretty good, it's decent, it's gonna get the job done. Even though it doesn't take the best video in a smartphone, you can still get some pretty decent video with the cameras here on the OnePlus 15. But there's been a lot of photos that I've taken here with the cameras on the OnePlus 15, whether I'm using the main lens, ultra wide angle lens, or the telephoto lens. And I take those same photos with my Galaxy S25 Ultra. And I gotta admit, there's times where I actually prefer the photos that I've taken with the OnePlus 15. Even when it comes to 120 times zoom, of course, S25 Ultra can only take 100 times zoom photos, but sometimes the photos just come out more crisp and clear here with the OnePlus 15. Now, this isn't supposed to be a comparison video or anything like that. I will have a separate video comparing both devices, but I just kind of wanted to point that out. So when it comes to taking photos, I've been taking some great shots. Videos, still able to take some decent videos, not the best, but I'm gonna go ahead and just show a full montage of all of the great photos that I've taken with the cameras here on the OnePlus 15, and I'll even show some video I've taken as well. So enjoy. Okay, so without getting all super technical about the specs on paper for these cameras right here on the OnePlus 15, what do y'all think just by looking at the photos alone that I've taken with the cameras here on the OnePlus 15 and even a video? Let me know down in the comments. Now, of course, the cameras are not perfect. I don't think any cameras on any smartphone are perfect. There's always room for improvement, but they're actually pretty good, right? I don't know. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Now, especially when it comes to video, I really want to know as well, because there are times where video could look really good, and then there are times where it struggles a little bit, especially when we get into those darker scenes. But again, I would love to know all of your thoughts. But as far as for me, I've been enjoying the cameras here on the OnePlus 15. I'm going to continue taking some great photos with this device. And one lens in particular that I really enjoy using on this device is the telephoto lens. Not sure if you can tell from all of the photos that I've taken, but a lot of the photos, I like using that telephoto lens. I just really love the overall look that it gives the photo. I don't know what it is, but I really like it. But again, I would love to know your all thoughts. If this was one thing that was kind of maybe holding you back from purchasing this device because you're hearing that maybe the cameras aren't that good, hopefully this video will kind of help you to further make that decision on whether you should get it or not, and whether you think the cameras are actually good enough or not. I think this day and age, I think on most smartphones, all cameras are going to be more than good enough. The fact that you can just pull out your phone, capture that special moment that is happening, it's still going to come out good. No matter what phone you're using, you're still going to be able to get a decent shot. But you can get some really good shots here with the OnePlus 15. But again, let me know your thoughts. Thank you all so very much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thanks for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.